tip number one is all about habits. Honestly, this entire video is going to be about habits. But tip number one is I want you to establish daily routines, right? So your morning routine and your evening routine. These are things that you are going to do religiously every single day. So examples for your morning routine can be every single day when you get up, you are going to make your bed. You are going to spend 10 to 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes every single day, just tidying up the areas in your home for the morning, right? So your bedroom, the bathroom after you're done getting ready, the kitchen after you're done preparing your breakfast, right? Spend 15 to 20 minutes every single day and make this a part of your morning routine. And then the same thing for your evening routine. Every single night before you go to bed, you are going to tidy the kitchen after dinner. You are going to pick up the toys, put them in their respective places. You are going to fold up your blankets that you use throughout the day and put them on the ladder, the blanket ladder, whatever the case may be. You want to establish routines, daily routines that are going to be habits for you every single day. This is going to help ensure that you are creating a routine, creating these habits, and that's what's going to help you become more organized.